Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure EVgo Home charging app notifications, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the EVgo Home charging app on your device. Navigate to the main menu by tapping the icon in the top left corner. Scroll down to find the settings option. Tap on settings to access your configuration options. Look for the notifications section within the settings. Select notifications to see your notification preferences. You will see various notification categories such as charging updates, promotions, and reminders. Choose the categories you wish to receive alerts for. Toggle the switches next to each category to enable or disable notifications. For detailed alerts, tap on each category to customize your preferences. Adjust settings like the type of alerts you want to receive, whether through push notifications or email. Once you have made your selections, go back to the main notifications menu. Review your settings to ensure everything is configured to your liking. Exit the settings menu by tapping the back button. You have now successfully configured your EVgo Home charging app notifications. Enjoy a more tailored charging experience with timely updates and alerts. Consider regularly checking your notification settings to keep them aligned with your preferences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.